Hello students, welcome to our class and start our learning with Let's Learn. And today we will see how to make the program for unordered list in HTML. So in a previous lecture I explained the types of the list. There are two types of list, ordered list and unordered list. Okay, so in today's lecture we'll study on the unordered list. So unordered list, if the sequence is not important, then we use the unordered list. Here these are the bullets, so it may be disk, it may be circle, or it may be square. So just see how to make the program for this unordered list. So first open the notepad window. Open your notepad window, then first HTML tag, then head tag. Here write down your heading, unordered list. This is the unordered list, so I just type here unordered. Clear? Then in a title bar, just I write here list. List is the title of my program. Then body tag. So in a body tag, here type the your list. Okay, so P is for paragraph. Start. Just type here the heading list of items. For unordered list, type the UL for unordered list. Here UL tag. Okay, just we'll make a simple program for unordered list. So type here UL means unordered list. Then for every list item, use the LI tag. LI open and LI tag is closed. Okay, after your all the items, close this UL tag. So close UL tag. Close this UL tag. UL tag is open and UL tag is closed. Then body tag closed. Then HTML. At last HTML is closed. Clear? Then Control S. If you first time save your file, then save as dialog box will appear. Type the name of the file with extension .htm or .html. Then open your file where you save that file, but this file is already saved, so just I refresh it. So you can see here this is an unordered list and list items. Okay, they are appear with the bullets. Okay, and this bullet name is a disk. This is a disk. Clear? Then if we want to change the style, of bullets, then what we have to do? So we will add here style style equals in inverted comma list dash style dash type, type list dash style dash type, then inverted comma and type here disk. Okay, so here three types: disk, circle. So just I write here circle or CLE. Right here circle and semicolon and the close tag. Okay, so use this style for a circle. Then Control S again and open your file here. Then refresh. There is a problem here. Just remove the space. If you make any mistake, then this program will not run properly. So here use style equals to list, just remove this space, equals to inverted comma list style dash type, and then inverted comma disk or circle, inverted comma close. Clear? Then Control S, open your file. Yes, that means here no need to give the space. Okay, no need to give the space between these. Clear? So what is your output? Here in place of the disk here, so these are the circles. Clear, student? Then we will use the next style. In place of circle we use a disk, D-I-S-K, disk. Again Control S for save and open your file and then refresh. Why we need a refresh here? Because this is already saved file. So thus you can see here these are the disk. Clear? Then just type here square in place of disk. Type here square, S-Q-U-A-R-E. Control S. All the program is same, all coding is same, but here just change square in place of disk and circle. Then Control S. Then open your program. Open your file here. So these are the squares. These are square. Okay, so in this way you can make the ordered list. Write down this program code in your fair notebook and write down all the 3 programs separately, for a disk, for circle and for square. Clear? So pause the video here and write down these 3 programs. Rest we will see in the next lecture. Thank you very much.